Good morning, YouTube. This is Chris. We got to take this hose off, and I busted the hose yesterday on the Grapple. As soon as I got on it, it busted. So today you got to take it off and carry it in there, and I'll show you how I'll make a new hose. I can put one on and be back up and running in no time. So. All right, I need to replace it anyway. It's busted right there where it's rubbed up against the frame, and I should have got some plugs. Of the hose, what length of the hose is. We got to figure out the what diameter of the hose, what pressure of the hose is. So in order to do it, so we don't, these are female JIC right off the bat. So we gotta, so in order to figure out what size, you can take a male and screw it in. So screws in tight. So we know it's 3/8. So, and we know the hose is going to be 3/8. So it's going to be a 3/8 to 3/8 hose. Same thing for the other end. And so we need 2 of them. So now we lay it out and we measure it. I got a little bit of room to play with, so it don't have to be 100% exact. Let's see if it works, YouTube. Alright YouTube, I got it fixed. So we off to